wiped out Puerto Rico. I'm seeing stuff about Colombia. Not gonna be hit. Africa, earthquake, fire, smoke, all around there. I've been seeing a lot of smoke and fires in London. I've been seeing stuff more in California, floods. People, be careful, be aware, be prepared. We're going into 5D Earth. No denying it. It's 5D. There are so many Mandela effects now. We're going to 5D. This Earth is dying. We're going into a new Earth. A rebirthing of a new Earth. The people who will survive will see that new Earth. And the people who did die here will be there. And once we see them, it'll be like we never been gone from them. We will forget all about this Earth completely and live on a new Earth, new rules, new everything. Nobody's poor. Nobody's living any better than anybody else. It's all equal. Everybody will have the same amount of abundance of stuff and their own area. Nobody will bother anybody. We can live freely, total freedom. Unlike here, you're not going to worry about anybody bothering you. One people of Earth, are you and I always. Live long and prosper.